and welcome to my game development stream. As always, first I start my development environment. Then I play one round of my game and then I decide what I work on today. I think takes a few seconds, only one command in the console. Terminal. Wait a few seconds. It started. Once in the browser. I'm the guy in the middle. I first choose a class. I choose Tamer. Besides enemies, if I come close to them, they run to me and attack me. If my HP reaches zero, I die. And the goal of the game, get as far away from the middle, the start as possible. Which then will give me a high score based on the distance. I get stronger the more I kill, and the enemies get stronger the further away from the middle I am. Now the pets run on their own, and I only control my character in the middle and can throw food or a heart. The two actions I have to slightly control them. I think that so now I get skill points to make my pets stronger. Let's take Painter. And now they have abilities. Ink. Okay, what do I have? Infactory eat less is good. And split shorter the factory less. I want slow. Easily is okay. Slow. On the root of Fireline. Fireline needs more love. Take it. Two. Bit faster. Direction. next are goals. Okay, I do not like gets fed easily is okay. Take it. Burst range needs more love is also okay. Dash root happy one is also okay. Okay. Next boss. Can you protect me? Okay. Lid is missing, I take it. Explode wants to stay slim. Slow eats less. This is strong, but I think I take explode for now. Totally no. North four dash. Can take it. Spouse. Okay, okay. Survived. Molov is okay. Never gets fed is perfect. Never gets fed and range. I don't like. Range is takes a happy one. Dash gets fed easy is also okay. Eat less is also nice. I take eat less. Still die from the fireline pretty far. I think I can feed. Oh. Boss. Me. Good, good. Social lead, I know. Very hungry, bad. Small off, okay. This needs more love. It's okay. Take. If it's fed, I could take it. Mm, I take it. Maybe I fed him too much because the end boss is around the corner. Next boss. Killed him. Okay. Didn't get a single longer leash, I think. Split happy one I take. It's less. Very good. It's fed. Take it. Yeah, I can feed him as much as I want. Two, I think. Perfect. And can feed him a bit more. Now I hope. Can keep it in place pretty good. They don't have. Oh, it's already dead. One. Perfect. This was 1-1. I defeated the end boss. And let's look what I can work on today. Okay, I have the line here that I want to fix. Let me think. But actually, I have a lot more. And boss kill, don't character in past. Course. Kill, no on. I think I want to see it, let's say, gifted property display in details stats to know which is gifted ability. I have moved to tick past characters. I think is the Order relevant? No. Let's start with tamer, game and line to start area painted. Even okay, this will disappear. Don't need to paint them, so on. I think it's still not ordered. Player input, find newest player character. Past player character, this is incorrect. Split it into player maybe? Past player to be correct, or do I have more? Trade, ability and pets. What is this? This is more like a character. Character, trade, ability and pets. Exported. Put it into character. Trade pets. Import, I can already import it, perfect. Enough for now. Player input. Still not happy. Did save. Oh, game paint. I am sweat. So it's back, but only moved stuff around. I don't have this stuff in here. But when I trade pets, from character to character, I trade the leech. Problem is that my copied character doesn't have a new ID. So I should give him. No. Trading works. The game end does not work. This one. Character. Does he have an ID? Yes. Let me go to character. Function export character. Function character. Change ID. Better change character ID. Needs a character. Needs a game. Change character ID. Not quite. Set new. Generate. No, set new character ID. I could an ID in here. New ID number. I'm not sure. I might not need the game. This could result in problems. Character ID. New ID. Doesn't character abilities. No, the abilities have an ID. They have their own ID. They don't have. I think they have an owner ID. No. So only pets have. No, pet also doesn't have. It's a pet leash ability. Okay. Let's. Character pets. Pet of character pets. If leash equal. I did this before somewhere. That ability is find, ability name niche, ability I make to own ID, character ID. I think this works. Still some errors. What did I break? Did I break the character? Missed some code? Yes. Okay. Now I need. Where did I come from? Editors. And show me what changed. Tell. I was in game. Yes. Save player characters. I change character ID, character game, next ID or something. Get next ID, game state counter. This should solve problem. Copy the character. Now I change the pets. Okay, I think this should work. It's a tamer. I just need to die. Scan. Okay, perfect. Next book. All sniper rifles pendant over each other, slightly move to see how many rifles. Okay. Let's see. I want the snipe ability. Let's give it a counter. The snipe counter. This will be need to update it. Can I do it? Could do it on tick. Sounds too often. If I copy, I don't go through create. I go over reset ability. Maybe every time I reset it was changed. I could. And create is not yet to a character. What would be good enough for now? I can first write it. I don't know if I need to export it. Calculate ability. How did I call it? I get a character. That's it. I go over every ability. Character ability. Snipe counter equals 0. If ability name equals ability name snipe, counter plus plus ability and snipe ability TS T snipe point is snipe counter and I start with 0. Should I always? Don't want to set it on creation. I could say if it's missing I have to calculate. This might be a way to do it. But I need the character on tick and it's not enough. See, I could now calculate it and set this value. I don't use it yet. Somewhere I tick. Ability snipe. I have the owner. Perfect. So I could determine if this value is not set, I calculate it. I need the cast snipe. Ability own 9. Cast position. Start position. Calculate direction. It's ability owner's point to move the bit. I need this one, probably. Fireline is also based on. I have a start position in here, perfect. First, I could only adapt snipe. What is that? Don't need paint ability snipe. Paint sniper wife. Paint X paint Y. Based on ability owner X and Y. I want to do an offset. So let's export again. Sniper. Like this. Needs a character. Is the owner. Needs a snipe. AT snipe. It's position. I want a position. My return X is owner X. Just say snipe. And times 5 or so is not good. Probably I need the counter of how many rifles. And decide based on it. But I can just start with times 5. Oh no, in here. No. No, 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 no. This way. Ability counter or 0. I'm unsure if this is actually correct. I need this painted. What do I want to press? Rifle pose is but then it's the ability owner. And for me, draw, expand draw. But I did not yet calculate it. First idea how this doesn't need to be exported. Check abilities, nice. This is undefined. To this. Oh, it might not like it. The owner also work. Doesn't have abilities? Possibly undefined. Okay. And if don't have abilities, I can return. And this should set ability snipe counter, because I go over abilities, I hope. Let's see if I can verify it. Snipe, take his snipe. Doesn't look like I paint them differently. It's very so stop this player character. No, and player characters import. Zero snipe. Both zeros. Interesting. Snipe counter plus plus. Snipe I found. Snipe counter. Because do not reset it. Okay. Perfect. Somewhere in here is a reset. T snipe counter is undefined. Is this good enough? The moment I tick it, do I take it over player input? Trade pets. I trade abilities. It's tradable unique and I don't have it. Splice it out. I make tradable false. I T. Should have a reset option. Character is an option. What is the difference between all character abilities? How about I reset character? I only need to reset ability. if I reset the entire character. Only reset timings. Let's try it. That character is a 2 character. Oh no, resetting also. Then let's just reset abilities, because I trade abilities. I see. Ability, abilities. This should be fine. Did I came from here? Uh, oh, I'm confused. Character. Here. I want to only abilities, and this could work. I could have different. So let's take slightly moved. Still want to move them a bit differently. Ability is 9. Uh, uh, I'm in definition. To wait a second time. Set total. Choose character total. Oh, I missed this one. Count over it once to know the total counter, and then I set it. Starts with 0. If I find 1, it's 1, so it's a total. Every ability knows it. Fine for now. Now I go here. If let's do some const distance. I could do something else. if snipe ability snipe counter is undefined, I just return x on x on. So I do a distance of 5 to a 10 const radius, no, not radius, angle is mass point pi times 2 divide, I don't need this, divided by snipe t snipe total. It has to exist. Doesn't know it yet. An angle. Have a distance. I could say angle times mass point take sign and time snipe ability counter. Same for cosinus, and now let's hope works. Snipe, snipe. It's barely. I forgot the distance. I have the 0 and it moves it down. Let's see what happens if I have 2. I would change it up. Sinus. And I can actually do this. This is not because I actually want undefined and 0 to be unchanged. Oh, perfect take. Not quite. It's not. But it's close to the hands. It feels it should be a pixel more to the XY. Just for measurement, let's take 20. I know. Okay, this is I understand. I want this one. Oh, he complains about this. And I can remove this. Total is undefined or 0. I make the middle, else I perfect. This makes no sense, and 10 should be enough. No, this is again incorrect. Why? Because it's a 1. Correct. So I don't have this, or smaller 2. Next, now in the correct position. I have it. No, I have 2. Okay. Yes. Now they have the why does he not see? I can take a sniper rifle. Okay. I have 3. And for me, now when I died, it's not painted because they don't tick, so they don't get an ID, and I don't paint them. Shouldn't be the case. Sniper rifle. Get a position. Why? Why is it now not visible? Definitely paint. Get the rifle position and paint it. Let's see. Don't want to stop anywhere. Stop. To paint. And ability snipe. Check no paint ability snipe. Here. Not a number. Interesting. Again. In. Jump over. Distance 10. I know this is not a number. To reset. Let reset. Total. Character total. neutral counter. I think this is not quite. See, I die once. It's a weapon, I die twice. The weapon, I take 3 weapons. I die, and he now gains a weapon. Think I will also change this for I have multiple shaders. The owner is my position, I think. That position, yes. More rifles, don't need to adapt too much. After image would be interesting. Let's first start with this. One start position is ability snipe, ability owner, start position. This one, no, after image. The image position. Okay, this is not relevant. Backwards shot is relevant. Start position. Not here. Also position. Back to the snipe. This is a position, so could I put in the start position? This could already work. I need the backwards shot. Last snipe, I have a start position here. In initial, it's already handled correctly, probably. This might already work. Snipe. Looking good. Let's was spawn. I see. I see. Rifles. Still works. Boss skill point. Fire line. Works. Okay. Boss skill point. Backwards shot. Also works. think this looks good. Let's think. I believe this works. Done. Check if traded pets don't get new ability up. Checked. Details display. Okay, and I can take this with the gifted property first. Let's add a new ability. Ability. Property. I have the tradable unique and gifted. Now, if I trade stuff, what happens in here? Tradable ability gifted is true. And now, if I display these things, where do I do it? Paint. Start with game paint. Paint UI for abilities? No. The player stats? Maybe. Player stats UI. Game moves. Tamer. Character stats UI. It can be gifted. Not yet. Need to add it. First ability. Gained ability. Stats UI. Then high scores. Okay, this one. See, for example, Snipe. They have the default. What was it called? Paint ability stats UI. Here. Do I make optional stuff? I could do if ability gifted text lines 0 plus equals gifted like this. And I need to put it in every ability. is happening here? In the text lines and draw it, okay. What do I return? The size. Yes. I do the upgrades. Currently, I think I have to put upgrade. Also the ability name. To be online, which I generate every. Maybe I should. Let's think. Basically be function get ability name UI text like this. Turns a string with something like add text equals something. Increase the text. And I have ability t this name gifted return text. This could then be used here, like this. Let's use it. I put it in ability. Export it. Export. That's it. And now I put it everywhere. Too many. Pet tamer. Don't have the class. It's gifted. No, this is an interesting case. Do I have? Give me task. Tamer. Gifted tamer abilities. And skill tamer should replace gifted with general. Because I cannot trade gifted. Gifted unique, is important tame abilities. No, okay. But first, have eat and sing. They can be gifted. Don't have their own. I see. Mm. Preferences. Someone needs to decide what to do. It has to exist, else nothing is painted. Wait a minute. Tamer. I don't paint them. Okay, didn't know. So this is not relevant. Only Tower Builder is missing. One should have. Okay. Still. I think I said gifted. Let's see. Tamer. Take it. It's gifted twice. What? Is it gifted twice? Confused. Ability name. If it's gifted, I add the text. But I don't add it as the name. Okay, it's a ability, so it would be snipe. I could look. Pause for now. Snipe. Oh, I missed this. Okay, fair. Makes sense. Next one. Take it. I now have a gifted snipe. The gifted speed. Test something else. I take. It give no as kill. Okay. Okay. Sing. What one should I do? Gifted. Oh, yes, snipe doesn't display everything. Because this is leveling related. Not everything is leveling related. So let's change it up a bit. It's not leveling related. Leveling. This can be pushed regardless. Let's take these out. Let me. So this is leveling only. Could decide where to put these. No. Yeah, okay, but should be right. Snipe. I now have leveling stuff here. Now I have values. Okay. Good enough. Notice some else I can change. Okay, now I have tamer problem. I am tamer. I die. I now take the tamer. I now have these two abilities. Now I have double abilities. I did not want this. Because they are unique. So on character select, character class select was a tamer. My character could already have these abilities. Let's change it up. Add ability to character. Should this check? It's unique. Shouldn't add it. Let's check if it is unique. No, it's not part unique. When does it become unique? I think it should already be here. If just don't do it, it's already in here. Or I replace better. If const character abilities find ability and name is ability point name. If I have group, does he think this is ability? Fine. But I don't know its position. Should the new one win or the old one? I have a duplicate and the duplicate is gifted. Else I turn, I do nothing. Wait. No. If I have a duplicate, I have to decide if dupe is gifted. It's not gifted, I return. Else I need to I want the index. I don't know if I can get the right index. And dupe returns -1, I guess. Yes. If it's not -1, and if character abilities dupe index, duplicate index, else I character abilities applies index y doesn't he up. I throw this one out and I will push it down here. If the ability is unique. This should work. Let's try. I take sniper, I take tamer and feet. I take, oh they are duplicates, take and they switched. Interesting. The button is okay. Difficult to die. Protected this much. Tamer. I take them, nothing changed. Okay, this looks good. I guess. I can die again. It seems decent. An endboss skill, don't put character. Okay, fair, yes. So I need game end game. Game. See. If is endball kill. Convert player to endless. Why do I not want it to do in WebSocket? Because I take character 0. I think this select no. Cell still direction. Celestial direction. More. Celestial. Okay, fixed. I want back to game end. I don't think I need to care for WebSocket. Just take the first, which is not the best, but and it's not an end boss skill. I save the player character. But if I kill my end boss, I want the character back, I guess. Save player characters. Let's save character as first character. This will be character and game. Here I to multiple. Let's start. First I need to deep copy the character. I need to rename stuff. Didn't work. Let's call him here. Work. Past character is the character and is removed. Past characters to save. I need stuff. See why it's more efficient to do it in here, but this doesn't matter. I only put in one. I just need to splice out one. This is a bit simple. If I spliced out one, I need to reposition them all. Okay. Don't have too much duplicate code. I would change so it's less efficient. Play character. Okay. My code. Also saves the boss, but now it's complicated. I think I convert. See, I input skill. Here is next and boss would still be general changed version, let's say. And for this, let me think. If character is past character. Here, if convert player to end boss. But I need if game state boss stuff cutely end boss. Can I? Oh, I need the direction of the boss I killed. Let me think. I could. No. Convert player to end boss. I deep copy. This can be moved. I this 3 lines, 4 lines. I want to say if I remove them, I will have the spawn trigger somewhere. Start end boss. Change the tile. Get the position. Get the direction. I deep copy. Spawn. This can also be removed. I set the spawn. I change some stuff. I push it. player to end boss. No, I don't convert. Right. Set player end boss. And then I need a new function. Function convert character to end boss. Set a character as a boss. Convert modify the character end boss. This might be the stuff. Let's see. Can we move this? This will also happen for existing one. Might break something. I do a deep copy here and end boss character to end boss. Let's move this as an exported function up. I to think. Let's see. I have changed that I no longer convert the player close end boss area. Snipe. I think I need to check if the boss is still king. Okay. So far so good. No kill me. Takes a while. Let's start. And we think. So remember something else. I'm the two gunner. What happens? Gifted. I should add gifted information. It's but I have it as a central. Where should I do it? I have this gifted in here. Okay, but it's only one line. Can I this way? Text is an array, and it's just text, and the put doesn't like it. String. Oh, I missed this one. He likes to change these ones. Can start this, then I push. Okay, perfect. Too many to change. So far fixed. Then let's text gifted abilities no longer get stronger. Can no longer get stronger. Can not get stronger. This information is in. Let's see. It works. Take it gifted here outside. Yeah. These can get stronger. Information is in. But I worked on endboss kill. It doesn't get the player, but now I should be able. I convert and endboss tick enemy endboss start set that player as endboss. So this is installed. If I check it, and if old boss class, character class. Okay, fine for me. How did I call this function? Game? Save character as past character, okay. Didn't I export it? Not yet. Export. Should know it. I have the old boss in the game. And work. See. Close and boss. I mean, sniper to 200. Died. Now I know what is the best tower builder, is probably the easiest. Tanky. I only need a few additional towers. Let's say this is enough. Here's a single target. I'm tanking this. Don't know how many I have. This one was the gun. Okay, this should be it. I have 2 more now. It's losing HP fast enough. Okay, and here's my sniper. And if I take something from him, I have boost, snipe, I don't see it. It's gifted, it's base damage 200, which is correct. Looking good. Okay, perfect. Task. Next animation. Input. Yes, tick characters, tick characters. End boss is defeated. Check if no boss. I still not sure what I meant with this. Checking is I just play and see. I also wanted it's also something else. I go in, I keep sniping. Okay, I kept sniping, so he doesn't snipe, but if I take its gun, it's still sniping. So this is the value I need to set. Snipe that. There's something to set. Good, next load time. Did I not? Next load shot time. I it is snipe shoot. Next load time equals false. Okay. Should be fixed. Let's try. And I gather a few thing. I'll take it. It doesn't shoot and I can. Okay, perfect. I have pause plus restart bug. Pause and I have restart and I unpause it. Starts after it. Let's see. Be a game. Let's start with game start. Because it's yeah, okay. I think this doesn't work in multiplayer. Player input. Do I have a restart in here? Key down. Z or R for restart. Final command it will be set, but I guess I need game state paused is false. Where we start simple pause, where we start it's okay. Next, I have a problem with if I so 200 perfect die. I first take the sniper and then take mine. Now I see the gifted ones first. Guess I should see the originals first. The problem if I do it the other way around is that the other one does damage first. I think it's not that big of a problem yet. Ignore. Try to change this text a bit. Paint. Press. Don't want this text. Takeover abilities is more in the wording of the game. Takeover abilities because here it's called ability. And I should not keep displaying it. Do I have game task? static past character. Let's say don't display takeover if nothing is left. Or do I know it? Display nothing to take over. Okay, what can I do? So this is a simplest thing and take or info. If I use player character, if I have a past character, then I have to check if he has some stuff to take over. Probably here take over. Oh, it's in F. Then put player action. And use character ability pits. Function as character traits left. Boolean I return false. I want character check. I go let ability of character abilities. Did I do this? Ability tradable turn true. Trade pets. Reminds me something with pets needs to be done. Character trait as character traits left. Or can character trait. Can character trait ability. I have trait pets somewhere. Guess I have something similar. If character pets or character pet of character pets if pet trait able and return true. So this should work. Let's see. Const trait can wait. past character. If can trade do I do in position? I can calculate because I want text both ways. This also text I have to start with empty, and I can set it here correct. I have to change it else, and I want to have the in key text already traded. Okay. Already take over abilities. Already taken. Let's try. Now I die. Him. Take over abilities, one time only. Already taken. Why does it change? This paint key does set stuff. Okay. And this means I need here. Try. Take over abilities, one time only. Taken. Taiwan. Taken. This one. 2 minus 40 maybe. Did I add? Here I can do another minus 20. Let's see. One time only. Retake. I think this works. Okay. Done. Okay. I had a lot of bug fixes today. Or take over stuff. Save stuff to be able to continue after we restart. I think this becomes more important now, but also requires this is a play. Works with ability take over and pass characters. Okay. Chord works with. Okay. Okay, now one thing I don't see what I take. So the ticking of characters is, example, this would be it's moving around and sniper wife more sniper wife rotating. Letting them tick is not the problem. Probably I think I come to an end for today. A lot of fixing for past characters and take over. Okay. Commit. Interesting, I think my replays, maybe they don't work. I will see. This still looks like it should run to the end. Maybe the end boss is a bit different. Seems not. I need to add one more point. F8 plus console multiplayer broken. Question. Oh, I didn't pay attention if it worked, but it's not looking at it, so I'm not paying attention. It's not correct. Okay, all did it. See, console also a success. I can check multiplayer. Let's name one, connect to multiplayer. Problem. Second one will be problem. This does no longer work. Multiplayer is broken. I no. Search. Doesn't matter what I have in my packages because I don't. I have it in my index. Exactly index. What did the index do? I get these. They don't have a version number. So, am I still able to see? He export is not defined. He gets it. Is it a cached one or is it cache the reload stuff? Hey, maybe there's a new version. I have the 8.1 version, and this version he doesn't like. Seems. Because I need to. Did change book? 8.0. What did I have? Some 8.2. See what do I. One. I have a version behind it. next mode again. Go to multiplayer. No, multiplayer. One, connect to multiplayer. And window. Localhost. Multiplayer 2, connect. Okay, perfect. Fixed. Fix fleet. And then multiplayer fleet. Nothing else. Commit. And then I guess I end for today. Let me push. See what are my next tasks. I have the ticking I can do next time. Visual better. Visualization. Better see what I take. I would say to save. For me, the saving feels more important. I can think about it next time. This doesn't. I can keep it here. Okay. I think I end here for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.